Hi guys, my name is Nick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a video in PowerPoint presentation in 2026. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create a new PowerPoint presentation. Then just go to the Insert tab, click on it. Then find here video, click on it. And now you can select one of these methods. For example, you can insert video from this device if you save the video on your PC or laptop, stock videos or online videos. Let's take the closer look at all the options. So this device, so just find the necessary video from your device, just wait a bit, but be careful. For example, if you send your presentation to someone, I advise you to send this video with your presentation. And here it is. Now you can play this video. The next one is stock videos. Just click right here, and now you can find the necessary video from this library. Just select the necessary video from here. For example, I like this one, and click on the insert button, and now you can play it. And the last option is online videos, so you can just insert video from YouTube, for example. Just paste the link right here in this field. As you can see, supported video providers YouTube, SlideShare, and Vimeo. So it was a short tutorial. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course write your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.